around 16 years of experience in IT sector and EdTech IT also together. So together I have around 16 years of experience. Together I together I have 16 years of experience. So I started off as a software professional in IBM India Private Limited in 2007 after my BTech in bioinformatics. So during BTech bioinformatics itself, I studied a subject in my curriculum that was not even in computer science subject. Even in computer science, people studied database, data mining, all these things, but they didn't study machine learning. But in bioinformatics, we had an elective called machine learning. And that time, when I studied machine learning, I realized that this is definitely going to put a lot of things, just not in biology and bioinformatics and computational biology, but also in many other streams, many other places. So you call it finance, or you call it healthcare, or you call it retail, analytics, marketing. Everywhere machine learning is playing a big role today, right? And this thing I anticipated at that point of time, that machine learning, although it is not so popular today in those areas, we are only using it in computational biology and research. It has got to play a major role in future. And that was my perception about machine learning at that point of time. I also wanted to work in this area, neural network, deep learning, all those things. So deep learning was not coined at that point of time, 2006 I'm talking about. I was studying deep learning, neural network, all these things in 2006. There was no advanced library like TensorFlow, Python, all these things was not available at that point of time. So that time I did a very basic machine learning algorithm or deep learning algorithm. Not, you don't call it deep learning, neural network algorithm I completed. So which can recognize, which has a preceptor which can recognize the character. So if a character written by hand is like A, B, C or D, whatever I write by hand, it can recognize it, and it can print precisely as A, B, C, D, as recognized by the computer. So this recognition was developed by me as a one of my project. Okay, so that's what I was saying, that during college days, when machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, all these coins was not so popular, and this machine learning is the key thing. So if you understand this machine learning very well, remaining all other things associated with machine learning like artificial intelligence or deep learning or anything that you call will become very crystal clear. So understanding machine learning is the key. So you have to understand machine learning. And what is machine learning will explain tomorrow, not today. Today we are going to study basic Python and all. So this was all about my basic introduction. After that I completed my studies as a business analyst. I completed CFA finance degree. I completed 2 degrees in finance and one certification from NSE. So I am also known as an analyst. Means I invest in a stock market and make money from that also. So I am having multiple disciplines in which I work and teach. And machine learning, deep learning is one such area where I have contributed in my last project when I worked at MBB Labs Private Limited, which is a subsidiary of Maybank. Maybank is one of the largest bank in Asia. So Maybank has its subsidiary in India, MBB Labs Private Limited, and there I worked as a project lead for data science project. And in that project I worked on something called emotional engine. The project name was emotional engine, and it was actually basically recommendation system for the banking systems, so banking products. So if we have to if bank has suppose hundreds of products, and they don't know like which customers needs which product, so how to get the match the customer with the product. Suppose hundreds of customer thousand suppose 50,000 customers are there, and hundreds of products are there. Now you can understand that each customer cannot have all the 100 products, right? But every customer has one or two products at least, and depending upon how his uh, what is the uh, account balances, what is the account balances, and what is the pattern of account expenditure and all those things, what the frequency of transactions, what is the means pattern, the pattern, accounting pattern they will observe in the so we try to understand the customer's account, and for a particular customer we see what is his accounting pattern, how frequently he is spending, how frequently he is making big investments, and all those things we are noticing as a analyst or as a scientist, data scientist, not analyst. And analysts are also working as a business analyst, and data scientists are also working as a data scientist. Together they analyze everything, and they try to figure it out, like based on that they make a software, and based on that software what they do, they will that software will do the recommendation match. Like some customers are similar to one customer they identified as a wealthy customer, they found 100 other customers are also wealthy and is very much similar, having similar pattern of spending as the first customer. And then they see that if a particular customer is having some products with them, right, and other customers are not having those products, so they will automatically give a recommendation mail or recommendation notification in their app or whatever, they will give some automatic recommendation to them. Means they are having means one customer who is really utilizing everything, similar kind of recommendation is sent to other 100 customers like that. And because of this recommendations they are also given way how they can understand it, whether it is beneficial to them or not, and they will get this recommendation. This is this every single recommendation is very useful. If you are giving false recommendation, then it's the error, and if you are giving the right recommendation, then it's equivalent to sales, right? So if we are giving the right recommendation to the other customers who are not having the same product, that's when we are pushing more sales. And if we are giving wrong recommendations, that's when we did so much of analysis and building the software and we are giving wrong recommendation, that's when error is coming from the software. So we have to minimize the error and we have to increase the accuracy so that more and more sales are happening in future. So this is all. I have given you a very production environment, like how business analysis and everything is dependent, customer analysis, business analysis, everything is dependent on machine learning based framework. So this is what I have done in Maybank or MBB Labs Private Limited. And prior to that also I have done lots of business analysis based case studies and all. So that is another thing. So this is my overall 15-16 years of experience. And if you think of my Python experience or any other things, I have worked for some clients in past where I have done web crawling, and apart from that, way back 10 years back I'm telling, I have done web crawling and lots of those kind of things I have done. So I have Python expertise, and even in data science project I have coordinated with data scientists in all the projects and all, and accomplished lots of big milestones, and that involved all development by Python and R programming languages. Okay, so that is all about this. So today we will start with Python basics, and we'll see how quickly you can grab Python. So before I go further, I would like to get some kind of introduction from you. You can share your details. You can tell your name, which college you are from, which place you are from. Place means your college is at which place, and then you can say which branch or which engineering branch or any other subject branch. If you are from arts also, then you can say this is my branch and this is my subject. So I know what is your background, and everything you can tell. I believe that what I am teaching this 16, this is 12-hour session. So this 12-hour session can be for anybody. He or she is from arts background or science background, because maths is involved, but still people can learn. These are the basics, and everybody should know it. Yeah, you can tell me your details. Anybody first?
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Yeah.
Is my voice repeating?
No, not. I think somebody also spoke at the same time.
Okay, so let me start. Hello, sir. My name is Yashi Gupta. I'm studying in Noida Institute of Engineering Technology. My
Hmm.
college is in Greater Noida. Right now, I am in fourth year of my college from the fourth year from BTech, from CSE background.
Hmm. Yeah.
And regarding about the tech stack, yeah, I am a Python developer. I am aware with some basic and advanced stuff of Python.
Okay, that's great. So
Right.
I just want to know, like, just you can raise your hand if you already are very much familiar with Python. Just raise your hand. I will just see how many people are very much familiar with Python. So I see 3 person. Still 4 person. Okay. So still out of 35, only 4 or 5 people are very much familiar with Python. So remaining people still need little training. So first day is for Python, and that's why I will do Python in a very quick way. Means in the first 2 hours I will complete basic revision of Python, so that everybody will see that. And in the next 2 hours, because we have 4 hours of session today, so in this 4 hours of session, first 2 hours will be basic Python I will cover, and then I will cover NumPy, pandas, all this, what they are and how quickly you can capture that. Okay, even these things we have to capture in the first 2 hours probably. So in the next 2 hours we'll focus on data cleaning, how we do data cleaning with the help of Python. Okay, so that's how we'll complete more basics of the Python and data analysis, right? So anybody else who can give their introduction? Next person.
So can I?
Yeah.
I'm Kirti. I'm from Bangalore. Currently, I'm pursuing my third year BTech in CSC from
Yeah.
Ambedkar Institute of Technology, Bangalore. I'm a little bit more familiar with Java development.
Okay. Okay. So Python, how good you are with Python?
Sir, I'm like basics and little bit advanced. I'm good at Python.
Yeah. Do you think in future there will be no need of such programming languages? I feel so, because the way ChatGPT and machine language is progressing, this logical programming will not be required very much.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Next.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Pratibha. I
Hmm.
am from Bangalore. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech degree in computer science from Bangalore Institute of Technology.
Okay.
And regarding Python, I have done projects in Python, so I am familiar with Python and all the stuff related to that libraries and all.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So we'll cover a little bit of Python in just 2 hours, kind of very quick recap we'll do in Python, and then we'll go for data cleaning task in Python. Like, we'll see how we can utilize the learnings of 2 hours in the next 2 hours in some practical way. Okay. Anybody else introduction today? Just
Good morning, sir.
yeah. Hi.
Myself, Pavitra. I'm pursuing my BTech third year in University Vishweshwar College of Engineering. Ha- I'm from Bangalore. I know basics about I have little bit idea of basics of Python.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Priya. Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Priya. I'm currently pursuing my electrical and electronics engineering in University Vishweshwaraya College of Engineering, which is in Bangalore.
Okay.
I know some basics of Python, but I need to learn more.
Okay. Okay. We'll just do a quick recap of Python, and you will see. And before I proceed further, I would also like to share one page with you so that you remember it. You can bookmark this today at the end of day also. Otherwise, tomorrow or means whenever I complete the entire session. After that also, you can put a remarks over there like how was my session and how did you feel about that. You be interactive. You ask question, raise your hand and ask me anytime. Okay. Don't feel that what you can if it is not it is noisy and everybody is silent, you can also speak up directly. You can just raise your hand and you can speak up directly and you can ask me question. No issues. Okay. I'm sharing my profile. I need this review all the time when I speak to some students. So this is my profile. This is my profile. You just save it for now. After the session you can put your remarks over here like how was the session and you can also put what did you learn. Okay. So that's for today's session. Let me start with you can tell me if something is very basic and you need to skip that and you want to get into some more challenging things. Okay.